Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Proof of angle sum property. Very simple proof. This is a triangle A, B, C, and this line is D. The angle A equal to, let the angle A is 1, angle B 2, and these are the 3. And this angle equal to 4. We have to prove angle 1. To prove, हमको क्या प्रूव करना है? The angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 डिग्री. ओके, तो इसको प्रूफ कैसे करेंगे? इसका प्रूफ देखिए. We know that the exterior angle means angle 4 is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है वो इंटीरियर अपोजिट के सम के बराबर होता है. तो हम लोग यहां लिखेंगे एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 4. ओके, द एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, यहां लिखेंगे एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, नाउ एडिंग एंगल 3 बोथ साइड. एड एंगल 3 बोथ साइड्स. Both sides means LHS and RHS. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 3. And angle 4 plus angle 3. दोनों साइड एंगल 3 जोड़ दिए. तो एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4 इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री. क्यों? एंगल 3 and 4 आर फॉर्मिंग लीनियर पेयर बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लीनियर पेयर. एक लाइन पर दो एंगल बनेंगे तो दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री. तो प्रूव्ड एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. दिस इज द प्रूफ ऑफ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ द आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टी. इफ ट्रायंगल ABC is an isosceles triangle, A, B and C. Isosceles means two sides equal. Angle AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC means therefore the angle B equal to angle C. ये प्रॉपर्टी है. अगर दो साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं तो उनसे बनने वाले दोनों एंगल आपस में क्या होते हैं? इक्वल. इफ साइड AC equal to BC, AC equal to, this is the AC and this is the BC. AC equal to BC, then angle A equal to angle B. Angle A equal to angle B. And similarly, BC equal to AB. BC equal to AB. Then angle C equal to angle A. This is the isosceles triangle property. अगर बेस एंगल इक्वल है, दो एंगल इक्वल हैं तो टू साइड्स इक्वल होंगी, और अगर साइड्स इक्वल हैं तो एंगल इक्वल होंगे. The worksheet 2 of the chapter triangle and its properties. Okay. The worksheet 2, question number 1. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to 44 degree. If AB equal to AC, then find angle B and angle C. Now solution. In a triangle, first we have to draw the figure. This is a chapter of geometry. Therefore, we have to draw a figure in each question. Angle A equal to 44 degree and AB equal to AC. Then AB equal to AC means, if AB equal to AC means angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to angle C. Let X. इन दोनों को हम लोग क्या मान लेते हैं? X. Now triangle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A equal to 44 degree. B and C X. Now solve 2X equal to 180 minus 44. 136. Then X equal to 136 divided by 2. 66. If X equal to 66, then B and C is, therefore angle B equal to angle C equal to 66. Okay. Now question number 2. Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle with PQ equal to PR. If angle R equal to 42 degree, find the measure of angle P. Figure in triangle PQR. PQR. PQ equal to PR. PQ equal to PR. It means angle Q equal to angle R. If PQ equal to PR, it implies that therefore angle Q equal to angle R. Now angle R equal to 42 degree. Angle R equal to 42 degree. If angle R equal to 42 degree, it means angle Q is also 42 degree. Okay. Now find angle P. The triangle sum property, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Q is 42 degree and R is also 42 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle P equal to 180 degree minus 42 plus 42 is 84 degree. It means 96 degree. Angle P equal to 96 degree. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. Angle B equal to 40 degree. What are the measure of angle A and angle C? In a triangle ABC, given that AB equal to AC and angle B equal to 40 degree. ये हमको दिया हुआ है AB equal to AC 40. हमको बताना एंगल A कितना होगा और एंगल C. तो फर्स्ट we have to write AB equal to AC. Therefore angle B equal to angle C. If angle B equal to 40 degree, then C is also 40 degree. दोनों इक्वल है. And the triangle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle A find करना है. B and C is 40 degree. Angle A plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle A 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. This is the question number 3. Reason, here is the reason, triangle sum property. And यहाँ पर लिखेंगे एंगल अपोजिट टू equal sides. Okay. Question number 4. The vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 100 degree. Find its base angles. The vertical angle is 100 degree. Vertical means vertex. This one is the 100 degree. These angles and these angles are base angles. Then the isosceles triangle, therefore two sides are equal. A, B, C. क्या दिया हुआ है हमको? वर्टेक्स एंगल मीन्स ऊपर वाला एंगल 100 डिग्री एंड ए बी इक्वल टू ए सी. टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. देयरफॉर एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल सी. ओके. एंड लेट एक्स, दोनों को क्या मान लेंगे? एक्स. एंगल ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ट्रायंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. एंगल ए इज 100 डिग्री. B and C equal x and x. 2x equal to 180 minus 100. It means 80 degree. Then x equal to 80 divided by 2. 40 degree. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C equal to 40 degree. Okay. Now question number 5. In figure 8.5, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle AB equal to AC. Find the values of X and Y. This is a figure in which AB equal to AC. These two sides are equal. And this angle is X and this is Y. We have to find X and Y. First, we have to find interior angle B and angle C. Angle A equal to 30 degree. AB equal to AC means angle ABC equal to angle ACB. ABC means this angle and ACB this. Let A. Any angle A. This is the angle A. Then triangle sum property. Angle A plus ABC plus ACB equal to 180 degree. Angle A is given that 30 degree and X plus X. 2X equal to 180 minus 30 means 150 degree. Sorry, X A. Okay. A equal to 75 degree. 150 divided by 2, 75 degree. Now A plus X equal to linear pair. A plus X equal to 180 degree. A plus X equal to 180 degree by the linear pair. A is 75 degree plus X equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 75. 105 degree. Similarly, X equal to Y. A equal है X equal to Y. Therefore, Y is also equal to 105 degree. This is the question number 5. Question number 6. In figure 8.6, find angle ACB. ACB means this angle. ACB, angle ACB. And angle A. Write which sides of triangle ABC are equal. पहले दो एंगल फाइंड करेंगे, फिर बताएंगे कि कौन सी दो साइड आपस में इक्वल है. ओके. This is a figure of question number 6. First, we have to find the angle A. We know that the sum of interior opposite angles equal to the exterior angle ACD. Angle A find करना है. The value of B is 90 degree and equal to 130 degree. Angle A equal to 130 minus 80. It means 50 degree. Angle A equal to 50 degree. And angle ACB, this angle ACB, we can find by using linear pair. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Angle ACB we have to find, and ACD is 130 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle ACB equal to 180 minus 130, 50 degree. Angle A equal to angle ACB. A equal to angle ACB. Angle A is 50 degree and angle ACB is 50 degree. It means the side AB equal to BC. The sides AB equal to BC. Okay. This is the question number 6. Now question number 7. In figure 8.7, AB equal to AC and AP perpendicular on BC. Find angle B. Then find angle BAP and angle ACP. Okay. This is the figure. Angle B is given to 60 degree and AP perpendicular on BP. Perpendicular means this angle equal to 90 degree. Find angle BAP, this angle, and find angle C, ACB. The first, AB equal to AC, given these two sides are equal. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C. Angle B equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle C equal to 60 degree. First, angle ACB equal to 60 degree. And angle BAP in triangle ABP. Angle B plus angle BAP plus angle BPA. BPA equal to 180 degree. Angle B, angle BAP plus angle BPA. Triangle sum property. The sum of all three angles equal to 180 degree. Put the values. Angle B equal to 60 degree. BAP we have to find and BPA is 90 degree. Angle BAP equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 60 is 150 equal to 30 degree. BAP equal to 30 degree. And the question number 8. In figure, find X and Y. Is triangle ABC isosceles? If so, name its equal sides. बताना है तो X and Y पहले फाइंड करने हैं, फिर बताना है क्या ये आइसोसेलस ट्राइंगल है, अगर आइसोसेलस है कौन सी दो साइड्स आपस में इक्वल हैं. This is the figure of question number 8. First we have to find X by using linear pair. We know that angle XBA plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. The sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. XBA is 110 degree plus X equal to 180 degree. Therefore, X equal to 180 minus 110. It means 70 degree. X equal to 70. And Y, we know that exterior angle XBA equal to the sum of angle A plus angle C. XBA is 110 degree, A equal to 40 degree and C equal to Y. Then Y equal to 110 minus 40, 70 degree. X equal to Y. X equal to 70 and Y equal to 70. X equal to Y, therefore angle B equal to angle C, AB equal to AC. It implies that the sides AB equal to AC. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, AB and AC. Okay. The exercise is finished now. Okay.